Hello everyone and welcome if this is your first time, and welcome back if you've been here before. My name is Shelly Banks. We're on this channel. I hope that you can withdraw something great from me and deposit into you. In today's video, yo, I am so excited because I am trying out something new, something that I don't normally try. But I was walking through ULTA and I was looking down the aisles and I'm like, I have this, I have that. And then I came across this eyeshadow palette from a company that I've never tried before. So this is my first time trying this. It is actually the palette that I'm wearing on my eyes today. So we're gonna get right into it. Walking and I seen this new eyeshadow palette from the Ozzy Osbourne Rock and Roll Beauty collection, and so I decided I would pick this one up. I do not know the actual name of this palette, but they have one like this that's shaped like a coffin, and then they also have one that's shaped like a bat. I do have both of these palettes. Well, I actually have the bat palette coming, it's on its way, but I picked up this coffin one in store. And you guys, this is what it's looking like. I thought, like, this is so cute and also eerie because it's a coffin, so but baby, it was the colors for me. It was the colors that just drew me right in. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it's looking like. Let me see. Okay, so this is what the actual palette looks like. I'm just gonna show you guys, and then I don't want to keep blinding you guys with the mirror, so I'm just gonna like put something over that. And this is what the actual shadows look like. I mean, those greens though, they are so beautiful, so beautiful. So this again is the eyeshadow palette that I'm wearing on my eyes today. Hope you guys can see that. I really love the look that I came up with. If you guys want to see a tutorial on this look today, the full face, then you can leave me a comment down below. This eyeshadow palette was $25, I believe it was. Yeah, so if you got points at ULTA right now, or you're an avid shopper, you can use your points to get this palette. Once you get it, get double the points at ULTA. So girl, go on in there and do what you do. I am going to swatch the colors that I used on my eyes today. So I just went in on my all over my lid with this color. It's called Shadows right here, and I'm going to swatch that for you guys. And I'm going to put it right down there, hoping you guys can see that. And then that's what I used all over my lid. And then on I kind of just blew that up in the crease a bit. And then I went on the inner corner of my lid with this color Denials. Let's see, it's this one right here, and I'm gonna swatch it as well. It's like a I want to say like a silvery gold kind of, if that makes any sense. And that's what that shadow is looking like. And then on the middle portion of my lid, I use the color Back to Earth. So it's like this shimmery green. And I'll swatch that one for you as well. And that's that one. And then on my outer corner, I use the shade Crucify, which is like this deep, it's like a murky brown. I guess that's the best way I can describe it. So yeah, so that's the color right here. So yeah, and on my lower lash line, I just went in with that same deep green Back to Earth, and then underneath that I use the color Alive. So I will swatch that one for you guys. So you gotta find a clean finger here, and this is the color. I'll have to go back in that. This is the color Alive, if you can see that one. Yeah, So that is it. As far as the shadows, they were really smooth. They blended very well, very easily. I am actually very pleased with this look that I came up with today. Yeah, so I just used this green eyeshadow. I mean, basically with this palette, you're gonna be able to do like some browns, maybe like in a bronzy look, or some greens, because this palette is basically all greens. And it has like a few dark colors in it. I will be doing another look with this shadow palette, so yeah, just stay tuned for that. And then I just decided to throw this orange color on the lips to kind of pull it all together. But for my first impression on this eyeshadow palette from Ozzy Osbourne, the Rock and Roll Beauty, y'all, I think this is a stunner. I really like it. I really do like it. And again, like I said, I think this little coffin shape is like kind of cute, but also kind of eerie. This is definitely not something that I'm normally gravitated towards. But again, like I said, it was the colors for me. So yeah, if you're in your local Ulta or you're online and you're looking for something new, especially with the Halloween little thing coming up or whatever, pick up this palette, $25. I think you're gonna love it. Guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. I want to say thank you to our servicemen and women, but I want to give a special thanks to the Marines. And I want you guys to do not forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out of here. Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave me a comment on if you want to pick this eyeshadow palette up or not, or if you're gonna pass this one by. And please do come back and let's do it all over again. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.